Arc Welding Equipment Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global arc welding equipment market size is $5,158.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America arc welding equipment market size of $2,063.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe arc welding equipment market size of $1,545.96 million. Asia Pacific arc welding equipment market size of $1,186.39 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America arc welding equipment market size of $257.91 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa arc welding equipment market size of $103.16 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.